Hello everyone, let us see how our key platform works and how we are going to solve the problem of parking. Suppose we have a car and we want to we are searching a parking in a mall parking. Now the car is in our key platform and the mall also have a key platform. Okay, now we have the parking P1, P2, P3. Each parking has a geotag associated with the key and provided by our key platform. Now this geotag is AR augmented reality compatible. If we scan the geotag with our device, the key will appear. Okay. Now suppose we are searching a parking and P2 parking is available. P2 parking is available. Now what will happen? An automatic smart contract will be created. This is our smart contract which will be created through our key app. Now we can see uh, in this smart contract the name of the parking P2 will be given, geotag which is AR compatible, it is given. We can give the time in, we can give the time out and the cost of parking, or we can associate other things such as uh, which is the final time in which the car will enter, the last time in which the car will exit the parking. We can enter anything in this smart contract. Now if uh, to validate the smart contract, the owner of the car, he can pay with key coins. Now the key coin has some value. Suppose one coin has some value, it can be depended. Now this money is not directly transferred to the parking, it will remain in the contract. If the contract is successful, if the contract is successful if the contract is successful, the money will be transferred. If the contract is successful, the money will be transferred. Yes, money will be transferred. If the contract is not successful, the money will be returned to the car owner or the customer. Now if the contract is successful and implemented and the car enters, suppose this is our parking space, this is our P2 parking, this is our P1 parking. Now it has a geotag. Now the contract is successful. A QR code will be generated. This is a QR code based on cryptographic smart contract. A QR code will be generated and this QR code will be in the wallet of this car owner. Now suppose this is the entry gate. Now what will happen? This car will follow the geotag. It will show the QR code at the entry, or the geotag. It also have an augmented key, AR key associated with it. It can be scanned by his QR code, and it is a hassle-free entry to the gate. And while seeing through his app, he can see the geotag to authenticate the parking, and he can park and he can go after the completion of his time of the parking. Suppose if the time exceeds, there will be conditions in this smart contract that if the time exceeds by 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, so how much more coins you have to pay. um, that can be there. So suppose there is a one more condition. Suppose this car is parked at this point and wrong parking. Okay, the security guard can check through the AR, um, our AR app, AR key token, and he can call the person uh, in whichever part he is in the mall. He can call the person and he can say that your car is wrongly parked and you can park at the space available. Or or suppose the parking is full, and for in emergency he is parking there, he can just give the key to the person, the parking man, known as valet parking, and he can park the car at the desired position through our this. So thank you. Thanks a lot.